Today we are celebrating a great achievement, the Store of the Year, a unique award given by IKEA Global.
This is the Miss Universe for IKEA. This is how big it is for us as a company. Out of more than 500 stores in more than 60 countries, Pasay City has been the one chosen.
IKEA plus Pasay City equals winning combination.
It's so exciting to be here and to celebrate the best store in the universe.
We don't have a particular secret ingredient. I feel it's us as people and a culture that really brings it forward.
Kahit magulo sa labas, eto tayo, nandito tayo sa pinaka-happiest place.
Togetherness is an important IKEA value, and IKEA Pasay is a good example of that.
I'm so impressed and so proud of all of you. How you can achieve this. I mean, it's amazing. You should be really, really proud.
Today is not only about an award, is not only about a small and stone. It's also about our commitment to create a better everyday life for the many people in Philippines.
This win reflects the very best of what happens when cultures come together with a shared purpose.
Let's celebrate. Big hands, yeah!